Hello everyone, I'm Lubomira and thank you for stopping by my channel. If this is your first visit, welcome, make yourself at home, and I hope you check out more of my content on this channel. For those of you returning, it's lovely to see you again. I'm always excited to see my crafty friends stop by. Now that I have you here, remember to hit those like and subscribe buttons. By selecting that little bell, you'll get notified every time I post a new video so you never miss out on any of the crafty goodness. I wasn't around last week because I was actually at a virtual card making event. For those of you who don't know, Concord and Ninth has hosted a virtual retreat or camp for the past 2 summers. It's a jam-packed event with lots of inspiration and led by some of the most well-known crafters in the industry. Although the lineup changes year to year, it's always super impressive though. I had the pleasure of seeing Kathy Zilski and Laura Bassett and even Jennifer McGuire do some live presenting, just to name a few of the names that were there. It was super fun and super inspiring, but now I'm ready to get back to my own crafting. This week I'm sharing another baby card. This one I made using the Happiest Wishes set from Simon Says Stamp. This is a recent set from last month's card kit. I find it to be a very pretty and versatile set that you can really use for a number of occasions, from birthdays to even get well soon themes, or a baby card. Let's get into the video. I started off by ink blending a background using Distress Oxide inks. For those colors and all my supplies, please see the description below. The trick to getting nice blends is going between colors repeatedly. I start off with the lightest color and work up to the darkest, but then go back and forth between the colors. I added some texture to the background by adding clouds with a cloud stencil. My stencil has 4 sides with different patterns, and I rotate them to get some variety. I'm not too concerned about wiping the sides of the stencil between colors. Some of the previous ink does mix, giving some of the lighter clouds deeper shadows. Next, I add some gold and pearl splatter using Perfect Pearls with water. I colored my images using Copic markers. The bear will be a little polar bear, and since this card is intended for a baby boy, I colored the balloon a light blue. I colored the moon using my favorite combination for moons because it gives the surface texture. If you look at a moon, it's not a solid color, but rather there are many shadows and different shades because of the craters on the moon's surface. To create that look, I apply my lightest color as a base and then alternate the two darker colors in a bouncing motion across the surface. Off camera, I trimmed down my ink panel and created a vellum tag with a gold foil welcome baby using the Cricut. I also die cut some clouds using a cloud border die. I wanted to use the tag as a base for my bear to sit on. I attached 2 layers of clouds, one vellum and one glitter cardstock, to the bottom of the tag. I'm sorry that my hands are out of the frame, but all I do is add some foam tape to the clouds for some dimension, snip off any overhang with my scissors. I attach my bear and moon using some foam tape to the vellum. I round the corners of my ink panel and the bottom 2 corners of my card base. I created my card base by using a shimmer metallic cardstock and glued it to the white cardstock using liquid glue. I added gold baker's twine to my vellum tag and then glued the tag to the inked panel. I attached my ink panel to the base with foam tape and finally added some clear sequins to the front of my card. And that's it. What do you think? Please let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this card. I really love sharing with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. You can always tag me over on Instagram. I always enjoy seeing your creations. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I hope life treats you kindly. I'll see you next time for another creation. Bye!